Hi guys, so this video is going to be very important and the most awaited video, because in this video I am going to tell you a very crucial part of investment, that is risk management. So first of all, before starting this video, I would like to urge you that you please watch this video till the end, because with this video you will understand every aspect of risk management which you need to know before investing. So guys, let's start from the beginning. What is risk management? So I tell you, risk management in investment, it involves identifying, assessing and prioritizing the potential financial risks which could be there in order to minimize their impact. So risk management, it is a crucial and most important aspect of investment strategy which will help you protect your capital and ensure you sustainable returns. So now I hope you have understand the basics of risk management, and now I will tell you the key aspects of risk management by which you can manage your risk in your investment for a large extent. Now the first and foremost thing of every aspect is diversification. You all need to ensure that your portfolio of investment is diversified among various different sectors, asset classes and geographic locations in order to avoid exposure to any single kind of risk. Now the other thing which you need to do is asset allocation, which means determining the optimal mix of investment options such as stocks, bonds, ETFs or cash based on the investor's risk tolerance, investment goals and time horizon. Now this strategy of asset allocation will help you average out your losses in various investment options if in case, and will help you give consistent amount of returns for a long time. Now the another thing to risk management, it is a pro tip for you, is that you should use hedging techniques, which means using financial instruments such as ETFs and swaps to offset any kind of financial risk in your investment portfolio. Now the another thing is the risk assessment. You need to continuously and regularly identify the potential risks, analyzing and evaluating those potential risks such as credit risk, market risk, liquidity risk, and regularly maintaining the adherence to their limits. Now that we are talking about the limits, so setting limits is one of the most important thing in the risk management. You guys need to establish clear limits on exposure to different kinds of risk, and also you need to keep a check and regularly monitor the adherence to their limits. Now as I told you in my earlier videos also, that you need to regularly review, regularly monitor your investment portfolio. You all need to continuously monitor your investments and overall portfolio in order to address these risks promptly. Now guys, I tell you, the reviewing and rebalance of portfolio is important, because if there is a serious kind of tragic situation which could impact your portfolio, which could keep you go into your losses, so by that situation that would be avoided if you will have a check on your portfolio, and by reviewing your portfolio you would avoid this upcoming loss. Now the last thing which you can do is the stress testing, which means is that you can simulate the adverse kind of market situations on your portfolio, and you can check how will it perform if these kinds of situation would occur to your portfolio in actual market. Now this stress testing will put your portfolio to adverse market scenarios and will give you the idea of how will it react to those scenarios, and by doing that you can manage your portfolio accordingly. You can make adjustment to your portfolio to cope up with those adverse scenarios. So guys, if you're new to the market, I know you would need these simulators. So there are various simulators for doing this available in the market. So if you want them now, you can ask us in comments. Otherwise I would make a separate video on them in future. So guys, by now I hope you would understand that how the effective risk management can help investors like you and me to avoid significant kinds of losses to their portfolios, how they can help us in making informed decisions and achieve more stable returns with time from the market. So guys, now that I've told you all of these strategies for risk management, you should also improve yourself. You should make the habit of learning, and you should think like investors, because whatever you are aspiring to do, your mindset would play a major role as to determine how you would go and how you would perform in that. And moreover guys, if you have still not started with your investment journey, I tell you, I warn you that you are missing out on a lot of opportunities and bright future. There are various platforms available, freely available, to tell you all the strategies, to guide you, but you should choose whom you need to follow, and you don't get into trap of those so-called financial influencers who manipulate you and are there to just take profits out of your pockets. So you can do one thing, that you can follow us, learn investment, because in this channel we tell you everything about investment, about everything you can do to improve your investment portfolio, which other influencers in the market are not telling, because that is not in their favor. But I am there to tell you what is practical, what is required, and how you can start and how you can go. So start with me, start now. So guys, I hope you have understood everything about the aspects of risk management which I have told you in this video, and I want you to implement this practically in your investment portfolio. Now I hope you have understood everything. I will see you all guys in my another video. Till then, that is all for this video. Thank you very much guys.